Hello everyone. In the last video we talked about labeling features using multiple fields, and if you didn't get a chance to look at that one, I'm going to put the link in the description of this one. In this video we're going to look also at the labeling of labeling features, but we're going to do a little bit of string manipulation. So for example, let's say we have these features that are labeled here, and looking at the field that was used to label them, every attribute starts with CM, and every attribute has 6 characters. So we have 4 characters, 4 numbers, and then we have CM. So for example, if we wanted to drop the CM, we only wanted to keep the number, what we could do, we could go in and write just a little expression. So counting from right, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 characters, so we can go here and use the right function and say on this field, counting from right, we want to keep 4 characters, and that's what we're going to have. And say, and this also works if we wanted to do it, say, from left. So if we were to do that, for example, we're going to have the CM plus 2 number. So if we were to do that, they say we're doing it from left now, and we're keeping 4 characters. We're going to have CM plus 2 numbers. So this works when the number of characters remains the same. But say in a case like this where the number of characters is not the same, for example, on here, after the dash, on the right of the dash, we have 3 characters, and in some cases we have 4 characters, so this would not work. So if we were to do, let's say, right on this one, this would not be correct, because the ID there is supposed to be 1013 and not just 013. So this does not work if the number of character keeps changing. So in a case like this where the number of character changes, we have to use the mid expression. So let's say we keep using, we're going to use the same field, but instead of the right function or the left function, we're going to use the mid function. We want to drop everything from the dash to the left with with the dash, we want to drop the dash and everything left of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to start at number 9. What we're going to use here, we'll say mid 9. And then after that, we're going to put a number, let's say 100, because we assumed that our number, our label left of the dash is not going to have more than 100 characters, for example. So in a case like this is going to work. So here we have the 985 and the 1012. So in the case where it has 3 digits, it has worked, and in a case where it has 4 digits, it's worked. So that is how we work with the string manipulation.